We do our best to be a modern state, and we do our best to join EU in 2020, or to do our best to fulfill all our obligations, and then it'll be up to member states to make a decision whether Serbia did its best or we didn't do it. Serbia, as I said very clearly, do support and do respect territorial integrity and sovereignty of Ukraine, and we do support Crimea as a part of Ukraine. I can tell you something. As you know, Serbian guy triggered that First World War. But that's the reason that you actually mentioned, that we are striving for peace, that we are doing our best to preserve our position, to preserve our stand, to be a pillar of stability in the region, not to cause any more problems. And that's a great news for the whole world.